Hi everyone, my name is David Young. I'm the project engineer for the Key Garden Apartments here in Elegushi. Basically, the project is a 12-unit luxury development comprising of 3-bedroom and 2-bedroom apartments. So we'll have the 3-bedroom units in front, facing the road, and the 2-bedroom units behind. So each apartment comes with, the 3-bedroom comes with a living room, 3 bedrooms ensuite, an open plan kitchen, and a balcony. So same thing applies to the 2-bedroom as well. We have an elevator, then ground floor parking areas. So also the building is located in a very prime location with beautiful views. On the right, left, front and back views, you have very nice scenery. So it's really a fantastic investment opportunity you shouldn't miss out on. We're actively working towards completion by second quarter 2022, and currently we're standing on the 3rd floor and we're working towards the roof as it is now. So we're looking forward to getting you on board with us as we look forward to close soon.